Let's see how to insert a double underline in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, let's highlight the text that we want to underline. So for example, we want to underline the first line right here. And to do that, simply click on the icon on the Home tab. Now you'll see that our text has been underlined. Now to turn this into a double underline, click on this drop-down option beside the icon, and that should show the different options for your underline. Now, the second option is the double underline, and you simply click on that, and you'll see that your text is now double underlined. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.